In this short and basic video, how to make column clickable in WordPress website. So guys, if you are using Elementor, so this plugin is very useful. You can create and you can make your column clickable. Simple, allow users to click in the whole column instead of individual elements. So this is the famous and useful plugin to make column clickable. Install and activate and use this plugin. Guys, if you are facing problem, error, or if you need any help to use this plugin, so comment. I will try to resolve that problem, and also I will create a video how to use this feature. So thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.